So students are asked to go into Google and type in Onshape. Sign in. And mine's automatically signed in because I've already signed in today. So we're just going to create a document. And here we're going to call it Softjaws. Click OK for that. So now this is what we're actually going to be drawing here in 3D. These Softjaws, they're 25 by 25 by 110 long. So first of all, we're going to draw this L shape here, and then we're smart dimension it. So if we go up here to sketch, it'll ask us where do we want to sketch, and this time we're going to go on the right plane. And see as you highlight the different planes, they go orange, and the one we want then is the right plane. So wait till it goes orange and click on that there. Next go over here, and if you click on this, it'll just directly in at that right plane. What we want to draw is a line going into the center. It was orange. We're going to draw a line straight up, across, clicking on your mouse up, left click on your mouse again. And see the way that it goes, dashed lines. That's letting us know that the line is straight across. Same here. So make sure that it's straight down to there. I want to find a line across to here. So what we're going to do now is smart dimension it. So up here, with dimension, we'll set this here is to be 25. So if you click on the line, click up here, type in 25, push return, and this one here is the same, 25. So what you need to do is hover up the line, click is orange, click on that, drag it out. 3 millimeters at the turn. So here, 3 millimeters at the turn. And that now is the shape that we want. This is our end view here now, 25 by 25, 3 millimeters wide. What we're going to do now is we're going to extrude it to make it 110 long. So if we go up here towards this extrude, click on that. And as I said, we want to extrude 110, this distance here. So we type in here 110. And let's go up here. And isometric. You'll see now we've got there now 110 now. The last bit we have to do now, the second last bit is to curve these little edges here. And these are known as fillets. And they are 10, radius 10 fillets. So, go up here and look around the top here until you find fillet. Click on that there. And we want this here. So, you see that click on that line there. I'm going that in 5 millimeters and we want it 10 millimeters. Click in there and now we put that little fillet. We want to do this one. We want to do this one. And we want to do this one down here. And there's all our little fillets done on our name tag. The last thing we want to do now is we look at the top and we want to put a name on it. So what I'm going to do is go up here to sketch. Sketch plane. So it's asking us where do we want to draw it. I want to draw it right here. And look along the top to find text. We highlight anywhere along here. You get any size for now. I'm going to type in your name. I'm going to type in 9. Go and type that there. And that is our Softjaw complete.